What up, what up? A little more work. Got the hood back on. Decided to take the felt off, given that it wasn't clean around these edges and it was starting to hang down in front of the screen. So that's gone, but you still got the immersion of the roof. I got to figure out a better way to style this up a little bit. And in the past, we were using Velcro on these 2020 rails to hold this on. Given how tight this is and how much this bounces around, there was issues with it falling off sporadically. So this needs to be stiffened up with a larger fender washer. But right now, it's going right through the fiberboard directly into the 2020 with a nut connector into the rail in 3 spots. That's tight. Working well. Definitely started to clean up. The Fanatec power supply is now mounted underneath the P2000s. Good old zip ties doing that job. Feeding up through the tubing of the solid rail up to the DD1. And the other side of the P2000s now has a 24 volt power supply. Because of this situation here, we do have a little ground jumper to keep any stray noise away from the SimRig pedals. But coming up with that white now, I think it's 14 gauge cable. It's actually a network cable, but twisted both pairs to gain a little bit more amperage throughput. So 24 volts coming up from the supply now to this arrangement, which will get a cap 3D printed to tidy this up and have no open components. But for now, testing seems like a reasonable deal. Let's see here. To plug this in, 24 volt comes on, and we get now 2 feeds. These each can pump out, these buck converters can pump out 4 amps each. And we're going on here, and the beauty of these guys is they're adjustable. Now this is weird though, because this was set at 5 yesterday, and now it's reading 5.2, so that could be a lot of things. The voltage coming out of the main supply might not be a constant 24 volts